In this video, I'll show you how to set up funnel automations for digital marketing in Kajabi to save time and boost conversions. Step 1. Create a marketing funnel. In Kajabi, go to Marketing and then Funnels and choose a template for your lead generation, webinar, or product launch funnel. Step 2. Add your pages. Customize landing pages, thank you pages, and sales pages with your branding, copy, and offers to guide leads through the funnel. Step 3. Set up email sequences. Use Kajabi's email automation to send welcome emails, nurture sequences, and follow-ups automatically after someone opts in your purchase. Step 4. Add triggers and actions. Automate tasks like tagging subscribers granted access to content or sending reminders based on user behavior inside your funnel. Step 5. Integrate payments. Connect your Kajabi products with the funnel so clients can purchase instantly and access is delivered automatically. Step 6. Monitor and optimize. Use analytics to track option rates. And that's how you set up funnels automations in Kajabi for digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.